Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a domain in Mailgun. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Mailgun account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Send. Okay, click on it and there will be a drop down. In here, go ahead and go to the Sending section, and here we have domains. Okay, just click on it. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right, and here we have Add a New Domain button. Okay. You're going to want to click on it. Now in here, all you have to do is just go ahead and enter your domain name. For example, once that's done, select the domain region. For example, we have two right here, which is US and EU. IP assignment option, I'm just going to leave it as is. Once done, we have two options right here under advanced settings, which is self-managed DKIM or DKIM keys, or you can go ahead and use automatic sender security. Click on it. Once done, hit on Add Domain. As it says here, Mailgun will automatically change DKIM keys every 120 days. If you want to use self-managed DKIMs, make sure to select the DKIM key length. Okay, for example, 2048 or 1024. And once you're done with that, go ahead and click on Add Domain. When using a subdomain, it will enable you to send emails from your root domain. And if you're using a subdomain, make sure that you configure MX records for the subdomain for optimal delivery. You will need to update your DNS records to verify that you are an authorized sender for this domain. Now, once everything is set up, just go click on Add Domain, wait for it to finish, and then you can go ahead and go back to Send and click on Domains. Now, if you want to verify your domain, just click on the domain. You're going to want to copy all these records right here to your hosting service. Okay. Then go ahead and scroll all the way down. And if you want to enable DMARC, there will be a button right here that says Enable DMARC. Just go to click on it and this section will show. Okay. Again, just copy and paste it to your hosting service. And once done, click on Verify right here. It may take some time. Just patiently wait and rest assured your domain right here will be verified. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.